Hi guys, this is Luke. This video is a preview to the Django Rest Framework and reactjs course. So I had a long thought on how to create this video series and finally came to a conclusion that we will do again a social network project, but this time we will not only do it in Django itself, we will have Django Rest Framework and, as mentioned before, of course, reactjs. So probably the best and most effective way will be to do it in small pieces. So we will begin by learning the basics of React, doing some stuff on made-up data. Then we will move to the backend. We will understand what we actually require, what we need to do in order for our application to work properly. And then we will put those two pieces together. And this is going to be our learning cycle, because then we will add some functionalities, starting from the front end probably, moving to the back end, and then again merging these two, and then again and again. So within 2 days, this is what is going to be published on the channel. Check it out. So this is an application with some posts. We can hit the refresh button, we will see a spinner. And then after 2 seconds, we will see a confirmation that all posts are loaded. And then we can scroll down. 3 posts are displayed by default, but we can load more until there are no more posts to load. We can like them, unlike them. We can also delete them. Of course, later we will only allow to delete the posts that belong to us. But this is only for practice purposes. And then we can do all the deletes, and then we will have no posts here. So this is what's going to be published within 2 days. Give me 2 days for this. And at the end of the week, if you are waiting for the third part of the real-time crypt application with the use of Django channels, Redis, Celery, yeah, I'm going to publish it probably Saturday or maybe Sunday. And Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll publish the 16th part of the Django social network project. So hope to see you guys over there. Have a great day and see you soon. Take care and bye-bye.